My listener, welcome to today's lesson. You're with me, your one and only teacher, Wanjiku Wamaitha. In this particular lesson, we are going to look at Kikuyu vowels. In English, we learn 5 vowels. They include A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Those are the English vowels that we learn. In Kikuyu, we add 2 more vowels that distinguish Kikuyu from any other language. These 2 vowels, they are the backbone of Kikuyu vowels or the Kikuyu language. These 2 vowels, they make it very, very different from all the other languages. The 2 vowels that we add are A and O. In total, Kikuyu vowels are 7. They are A, E, O, U, O. 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 Good. My listener, that's how we pronounce the 7 Kikuyu vowels. Now, let's go on. These vowels, how do we pronounce them in Kikuyu? Or do we just pronounce them as we do in English? Let's go. The first vowel A is pronounced just like the R in the word America. America. Just like the R in America. Then we have A, just like the A, that is a vowel A in the word egg. Vowel E is pronounced just like the E in the word in or in the word India. A is pronounced just like R in the word eight. The A in the word eight. 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 O is pronounced just like the O in the word office. Office. O. We have U is pronounced just like the double O sound in the word ooze. Ooze. And lastly, we have O, just like the word owner. The vowel O in the word owner is pronounced as the special O in Kikuyu. So my listener, we have said that we have 7 vowels in Kikuyu, and they include A, E, O, U, O. 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 Thank you, my listener, for watching. Thank you for following us. Continue learning with us.